Okay, so let's spectate some people right now. Yeah, today we're gonna do the party. Someone kill. Fight or die part. Ooh, that gingerbread. It's good. Actually, it's goated. Oh my god, why is she so dumb? Why can she can just see? Bro was just oh shit. Oh checks. Oh shit. Oh! Bro just already did some. Okay, I have anything, but I need that. Actually, I need that gingerbread. I think that's very good. Man should. No. Don't. This time I'm not being a killer. Please. I don't want to become a killer, okay? I just want to become a survivor at least. Yes. Good. Oh, God, nice. Yeah. This time, no emotes. Who did that? Oh, don't you get this cooking that? I don't have that money. Yes. Don't you come near to him. He's complaining. He's gonna cause. Wait, what? I have it. Okay, both. Oh. Okay, let's go to hospital this time. Oh, there is players. Okay, don't you become a... Yeah, I'm becoming survivor. Please. Yes, let's go. Who's a killer on the loose? Killer on the loose. He's coming right in. He's coming. He's coming right there. No. Bro, I'm cool. Bro, I'm cooked. No. Revive. Too late. They're too much aura. See, I feel bad for her. Oh, okay, let's check what will happen to Miss Sakar. Oh my god, why just Jahir has many aura, as I said. Wait, he revived for him. Why bro's misusing that every time? My god, why Oro does that? Oh, they're hiding from the elevator. Bro revived for him. So sad. She was just after him, but didn't got it. Please, this time I don't. I want to become a survivor. I'm not becoming a killer. No killer. No killer. Zero killer. I hate. I don't hate becoming a killer. I like being a survivor. My God, why? Yoing. Why am I the killer? Okay. Oh, you thought I was too easy? God. No, no, no. What? What? Girl. I'm too. Emotional damage. Too good right there, buddy. Yeah. Hmm. Deserve that idiot. Dome. Bro, some. Bro using moderate. He got cooked as a no pain. Wait, I just saw someone. I saw baiting. Wait, what? I killed everyone. I had some more at least than the last time. Good. Wait, why won't I? Yeah. What? Okay. Don't. No, no, please. Cook time, cook down. Please revive. 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 Revive me, please. Bro, revive me. No, already cooked. Cooked. How can they have that much aura? Bro, how can bro have that much aura? I don't have no aura. He didn't pick. Oh, I feel bad for this guy. When bro didn't give me then nothing. Yeah, she had many aura, I think. Last time I had many aura, she I didn't got cooked after all. No, 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 no. The restaurant has some good. Well, yeah, the restaurant is good. I think so. Restaurant is good. Okay. No, no. Okay, he is a killer. Okay. Okay, what are you gonna do? No. No! What the? Hey, remind me. Why? Why? Rua Samora. Go, go, go. Already cooked. Oof. Why do I get killed? Rua Sadli Samora. The one she stopped doing that goofy. See, I knew she'll get revealed. She's gonna go at 3, 2, 1. The main already go. Okay, now nowadays killer is getting some more buddy. Last time I killed Rubis. Everyone just used it. I'm not gonna use. Why did bro use such and yeah, very sad. Okay, I don't want to be. Yes, thank you. Yeah, Gojo is the villain. Bro, come back easily. Everyone is getting capped. Everyone is getting caught. Everyone got caught, I know. I'm cooked, I already cooked, I'm already cooked. Boy, if I get cooked, I'm cooked. I know, I'm cooked. She ain't just down. I'm not going down at all. What the hell? Don't you dare. Did he catch us? No. No. Did he catch me? Please, there is no. Just not saying you. I'm not gonna put my goofy mode. I know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen. If he knows that he's not gonna check your laptop. No. Is he coming? At the last 5 seconds, I'm gonna make sense. come right there. I think who are watching me thinks that I have a. Okay, no, 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 no. What did he get? Sneak. Why was only Gojo got nah the party? But the car, yeah, Gojo didn't fall. Gojo like didn't care. Okay, I just wanted to be a server. Please be a server. I'm not good, thank you. Oh, ooh, I almost got killed. She would come like that. She knows that. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh hell, man. She. I'm cooking. Don't you see? Cooked. Malcook. Malcook. I know Malcook is cooked. Okay, bro. I know she's Hebrew. Why does she? Bro, there was not that much place. Okay, there was not that much place. Oh, looks like now I can buy something. Okay, but I'm gonna be good. Good. Genius. He's this time was the one.
Keeping you up at night? With just one spray, Octavins moisturizing formula soothes and hydrates your nose.
Oh, such an idiot is bro.
And breathe.
He's so dumb. Yes, I know. Guys, just hide here. I knew. No. Oh, such a idiot. Yeah, that's what we have to do. Okay, Gojo, good. He killed some of them, but he's gonna. He. She had. I should have hid it right there. She has some more. I know what she's gonna do, so. Right, I know. He's already cooked, I know. I know about that. I know. Okay, they did some good thing. Not like me, Glitchy Bill died. So sad, right? I am. So sad! Please, okay? I need to have some luck. Good. Now I'm gonna make some songs this time. Okay, this time I'm gonna be tricky. Do what I know. She's so. No. No. Good. 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 Okay. Don't cook. Not gonna use no emotes this time. Bro, what is wrong with this idiot? Okay, at the last 5 seconds. It's already no. So dumb. He did at this wrong time. Good boy. Extra gum. Extra special. I'm not gonna. He's already just making this worse. Quite to die, Dumbo. No, what's gonna happen? This is a good spot for me. I do at the last 5 seconds sound so that. She got all. I think it's one of us that's gonna be. I think it's me that's gonna. I don't think I'll pass. Sure about Oh, I think bro was doing something.
പിന്നെ നീ കാണുന്നത് ഇത് രണ്ടും ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്
Cooked, I already know.
പിയാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യുക്കിലേലി
Holy crap.
പാടുക അങ്ങനെ മ്യൂസിക് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എന്തെങ്കിലും
This
ഹോബി ആയിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് എനിക്ക് ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഇത് എന്റെ മറ്റേ എന്താണ് ഫ്ലെക്സ് ആണ് എന്തായാലും പറയാം അത് വരാന്നുള്ളത് അത് എനിക്കിങ്ങനെ ബ്യൂട്ടി ഹെയർ സ്റ്റൈൽ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ അങ്ങനത്തെ ബ്രാൻഡുകളുടെ ഒന്ന് വരണം
okay, I don't know next time bro's gonna bro become my own cooked.
കൂടുതൽ ഹോം കുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കാന്നുള്ളതായിരുന്നു. അതിപ്പോ
Okay.
ഒത്തിരി
Me and him will do.
കുറെ ഹോം കുക്കിംഗ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെന്താ പിന്നെ ഇതെനിക്ക് നല്ല ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Who is gonna become it? Why am I?
അത്യാവശ്യം ഫെയിം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നൊക്കെ
Shit.
ഇപ്പൊ ഫെയിം ഒക്കെ പോകുന്നത് എനിക്കറിയാം.
Shit.
ഒരു പേടി.
Ah, shit, I know. He's cooking me already, I know. Cooking. Don't you dare come.
ഇനി എന്റെ വിഷൻ ബോർഡ്
One that has soda.
മണ്ടത്തരങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നുള്ളത് പറയാം. ഓക്കെ എന്തിനാണ് വിഷൻ ബോർഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് പറയാം.
No!
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവണം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താണ് വേണ്ടത്.
She killed me already. That was crap. Okay, so bye.